Hey everyone, this is Cyril Gupta, your best friend in the business. And today I'm going to show you how to get and install Engagi Chrome browser plugin in your web browser. So I'm going to use Chrome browser today, but Engagi also works with other Chrome-based browsers like Microsoft Edge, Vivaldi and Brave and some other ones too. But let's see how to do that in Chrome. So the first thing, go to engagi.in and you'll be taken to the login screen. And this is where you put in your email ID and your password and log in. All right, so here we go. There is a little demo for Engagi. You can watch that demo if you want to learn how this works and get the Chrome extension downloaded. It's a zip file by clicking on it. It's just gonna take a few seconds right here. You can see it's here. Now to install this plugin to Chrome, let's go back to Chrome. And in the URL, we have to type chrome://extensions, just like this. And you'll be taken to the extensions control panel, control center for Chrome. And this is the same for all browsers. So you can type the same for Edge, you can type the same for Vivaldi. It's gonna be just like this. And then you gotta click on load unpack. And then it's gonna ask you for a folder to load from. So let's go back to Windows Explorer and let's extract it to a folder. Just like that. All right, so you can see the folder's been created. It's called Engagi plugin. You can see everything in there. Just select the folder and click on select folder. So you can see the plugin appears in Engagi now and it's working. If you want to disable it for some reason, you can do so temporarily and enable it when you want to enable it again. And if you go to any social network like x.com, yes, it's not Twitter anymore, and wherever you go, you will see this beautiful little icon, right? And if you want to reply to this post, just click on the reply button, click on the icon, and of course you will need to log in into Engagi. We'll do that very shortly, just like this. Enter your password, click login. All right, enter the correct password obviously. And here you have, this is Engagi and you're ready to go and start engaging.